Hey Mom, happy Mother's Day. You might remember that about 10 years ago I made a Rubik's Cube mosaic of me, Belinda, and Chessa, but I've never actually made one of you. So while I'm sitting here at home for lots and lots of hours, me and the girls decided to go ahead and make a mosaic of your beautiful face and my super ridiculous handsome face using 750 of these.
Hi!
Hope you enjoy it. Happy Mother's Day, Mom. Thank you for letting me be weird and try new things, but at the same time encouraging me to be the best that I can be and better myself and the world. So thank you for being a wonderful mother, for loving me, and I hope you are able to have a wonderful Mother's Day. Love you.